Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook when your news feed isn't loading properly. So let's jump right in. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the feed loads. Next, open the app and try a simple refresh. Pull down on the screen or close and reopen the app Facebook many times. That's all it takes. Next, if the problem continues, go to your phone settings and then search for storage. Then scroll down until you see the option of Facebook. Next, what you're going to do is click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if this also does not work out, then go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Facebook. Now see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if nothing helps, then just go ahead and delete the app Facebook from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. So here you go, 6 easy fixes for Facebook not loading in your news feed. Remember, start with the basics like internet connection and refreshing, then move to clearing cache or reinstalling it if needed. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys